crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome back to week 5 of #Spooktacular 2024. This is our last week for our October Daily Style album that we're following with the Spooky Movie Club theme. There has been freebies. There was also a tutorial where I created this album that I'm using to document my movies that I've been watching this month. Also have a digital kit available in my Ko-fi shop, so be sure to go over and grab any of those that you would like. I will probably leave them up through the month of November, and then I may take them down to get ready for my December daily fun. So be sure to go over and grab any of the freebies and grab the digital kit if you would like to follow along with what I'm doing in my album. This week is the final week of our Spooky Movie Club theme. I will be documenting Teen Wolf, Addams Family Values, Scooby-Doo the Movie, Twitches, Gremlins, and rounding it all off with It's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown. The freebie for this week is up in my Ko-fi shop. I've created the images for those movies. I have printed this at half size. You can print at regular size or half size or even smaller if you wanted to do that, depending on how it works in your journal or your project. But I needed it to be a little smaller, so I did print these at half size. Once I complete my documentation of those last movies, I may come back and add a few more embellishments just to highlight some things, and I'll do a final flip through. So let's clear the desk off and get to crafting. Alright, we're going to start the last of the documentation of the movies for week 5. I'm going to start filling out this last waterfall. I'm going to add some music here and speed this up so that it is at a watchable length. Again, if you ever have any questions about anything I might be doing, please leave it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer those questions. So sit back and hope you enjoy. through for the hashtag Spooktacular 2024. Remember, you can pick up the freebies and the digital kit in my Ko-fi shop. If you would like to go back and follow along with the videos, I do have a playlist that starts with the tutorials and runs through all 5 weeks. We did all the movies 1 through 31, and this movie prompt is also a freebie in my Ko-fi shop. Alright, I did the tutorial of how to put the album together, and I just did a basic simple closure, ribbon closure. I did not attach it, I left that loose. I did not do the album chronologically. I did give more real estate to some of my more favorite movies so that I can go back now that the collaboration is coming to an end and do my own personal journaling in here. Got the closure with the magnet here. I did the embellishment. I did another embellishment from the kit. Added some sentiment strips and did some stenciling. Got my movies in my waterfall. Did some stenciling here. Added washi strip in places. And again, used some of the bigger embellishments to cover up the magnets. Got my main calendar here. Starts out with the date where I put the album together. Got journaling cards of different sizes and shapes in pockets. Got a flip up here. More places for journaling. Did not put a magnet on this flip as my magnet is here to help keep everything together there. Got an insert in this pocket with the journaling card. Did the belly band with one of the embellishments here. The belly band here is big enough that I did a couple of inserts for it. I did one for the Practical Magic movie. And then I came back and made a little booklet for some of my other movies. And added a pocket here with a little journaling card there. Got our gatefold here with just some embroidery floss with policy closures that I attached with some brads. Got an insert here. Did another pocket with another journaling card. Left space for journaling on the back there. Flip this way, left space for journaling, another pocket here, bookmark journaling card, regular journaling card, left space here for some journaling. Again, I have a magnet here, keep that closed. Did another embellishment here on this closure, another magnet here, another waterfall. Again, added the distressed cheesecloth there. Did another pocket with a little journaling tag there. And again, used a bigger embellishment to cover my magnet up here. I've had a lot of fun with this hashtag Spooktacular 2024 collaboration. This journal, in hindsight, I probably would have done a little bigger because I enjoy spooky movies and there's some things I probably would have included if my journal would have been a little bigger, but I did want to keep it small enough that it didn't feel intimidating to beginners with too big of a journal, and something fairly easy for people to follow. So it does make a nice little journal, even if I might have made it bigger just as a personal preference. I hope y'all have enjoyed this collaboration. I'd love it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put up any new content. I do have some new things coming up for the channel. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.